All right.
Bonavita's back.
Bonavita's back with a first peek
of a new scale for the baristas as well as the home users.
Okay. So why don't you take us through what its story is here?
Well, we're trying to find we've got a lot of requests for a scale that would be more water resistant and be able to use in the shop and be a little more robust from what's out there, either the super low end or the super high end. And so this is our answer based off of the request, and it's going to be a water resistant, totally sealed scale, touchpad. It has a power supply as well as battery, a 110 220 power supply, class 2, so it can be used in your shop. We've been working with the Taiwan chip and beam manufacturer who makes the solutions for the scale. This is the fastest solution, most accurate in the marketplace.
So it's two separate pieces here.
Yes, there's your standard scale, and this will all be sealed with silicone sewn around the base. This is the first production off-shelf piece we'll have, but we'll be shipping these sometime in November of 2012.
Okay.
So we would tear out the unit itself, sitting on there, the pour over portion. Put this up here. Tear it out again. Then put the cup on and hit it again.
Please.
Okay. Now,
You want to add some coffee?
Now, we happen to have already ground 30 grams of coffee, but we're going to see if this comes up to 30 grams.
All right.
But you wouldn't have to. You could just grind a bunch of coffee and then just weigh it this way by putting it in.
All right, so check your scale there.
Let's see what it's doing here. Yeah, let's check and see what.
I think that's
Ooh. We got a little bit just left over in there.
Yeah. Yeah. That's pretty good.
I think I would check it. Is there
Oh, we're at 29.9.
okay. Because
All
I'm
right.
going to say there's a decimal point there. That's pretty close.
Yeah. And so then you can tear this out, and then when you start your pour over, you could then do it by
You know how much water you put
your
in.
water, your
And
overall
this
water.
is a 0.1 reading scale.
Okay.
And
Cool.
the key is for the speed of the response of the scale is the key for water. So you know when you're sneaking up to it, it will instantly read. There's no delay on when it's doing it.
Yeah,
Okay.
perfect.
And then you've got a timer here
You got
as
a
well to keep yourself
Count up timer
in
is
check.
right here. So as you count up and pour, you can do it simultaneously. And it will not shut off. It's designed, you have to power it on or off because the baristas didn't want something that would shut off while they're in the middle of a pour because
Yeah,
the
no
timer.
kidding.
Which we've seen with some of the scales we've tested.
Yeah. So in the mode, tell us about that, Brent.
Well, we've got the ability to do grams, ounces, or pounds. And it goes up to 5 kg, which is about 12 and a half pounds.
That's a lot of fun.
Well, some people want to weigh beans and stuff. It's not, we're checking out the certification for a sale, but at this point is a barista scale.
Okay.
Cool.
But it can go up to a
12,
5
significant
kg. Yeah, 5 kg.
weight.
And this rod comes out, so you can either put it, like if you had a Chemex or something, you can put it directly on the glass, or you can put it on this if you want to drip straight.
Okay.
And everything's dishwasher safe except the scale, of course.
What? Unimpressed.
I'm sorry.
And we would have somebody do that too. With a cord hanging out of the door.
Totally. That's the electronic part, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Cool. All right. So this is the first peek. And so it's going to be a little bit, cosmetically, it's going to look a little bit different when it comes to market, but the basic concepts and stuff are going to be the same.
Yep, stainless
Yeah.
steel, all sealed, ready to go.
I like
Awesome.
it.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks.